Every morning, Bob vowed to improve his habits. Today, I'll jog, he declared, lacing up his sneakers. As he stepped outside, a squirrel darted past, causing him to trip and land in a bush. Maybe tomorrow, he sighed, brushing off leaves. The next day, Bob decided to eat healthier. Salad for lunch, he announced. But as he opened the fridge, a leftover pizza slice winked at him. Just this once, he chuckled, munching away. On the third day, Bob tried meditation. Inner peace, here I come, he whispered, only to fall asleep within minutes. Consistency is key, Bob mused, but so is a good nap. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.